Today, we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to replace the nozzle in your AnyCubic Kobra 3 Max. Now, if you have the same type of nozzle with the AnyCubic, this is pretty much gonna be the same exact process for the most part. So I'm gonna get you guys nice and close and show you how easy to go ahead to change out your nozzle. Now, this is very, very beginner. So a lot of people that might be watching this channel might be like, I don't need that. I already know how to change out my nozzle. If you're looking for very specific ways of doing this here, make sure you guys check out your owner's manual that came with your printer. So let's go ahead and jump in. So the first thing I need to do is I need to move this over and up. I went ahead and I homed this right here as the first thing I had to do so that way I can actually move it. And if you don't know how to do that, you're actually going to go into your third option right here. I'm going to go to move at the top. I do 50 millimeters. I'm going to do it X to the right and probably a couple more of those to kind of center it. And then I'm going to move it up on the Z axis. That way I have more control and more access to the nozzle. Now here's the nozzle that we're changing into. This is a quick change nozzle, so I don't really need any kind of tools with it. So I have this here pretty much where I need. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my machine now. So we're going to power this off and we're going to go ahead and take this cover off. Now this is just magnetized, which makes it nice and easy. So you don't have to unscrew anything. That's the one thing I do like about this machine is that I have pretty much a lot of access right where I need it to go. You can see that it has a little magnet on here. So you're not gonna hurt it. You basically just kind of just pull it from the bottom right here out like this. And you're gonna see you have your nozzle and your hot end right here. So right back here, you have your hot end, you have your nozzle, and then right back here, there's this little lever that you can kind of pull in on the right side. You want to push this to you. So you're just going to pull this here all the way up. That's going to go ahead and release this. You're going to pull this all the way down like this. And that right there will go ahead and release the nozzle, your old one. You can kind of see there's some filament in here. We got some stuck things going on. So I'm just fully replacing it and I'll deal with that right there later. So put it back in, same thing right here. You're gonna feel it all the way up here. Now you wanna make sure this goes all the way up, really, really important, all the way up to where it can't go anymore. And you're just gonna go push this here all the way back. That's it. We're gonna put this here back on, put it in the front, push it back, and there we go. That's all we have to do. If you found that helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up too as well. And make sure you guys check out my other videos right here. This is what YouTube thinks you guys will like. I'll see you guys on the next one.